Okay, open it up. It's from Aunt Wawa and Uncle Terry.
Dad, could you help me?
Yep. Okay, there you go.
Thanks, Dad. These roots were very really good. Look, Mom.
I know, that's awesome.
And one Mary made it.
Aunt Laura and Uncle Terry.
Mom, can you try it? It's got to really
Wait, don't take.
work.
We'll cut the tag off. What else is in there?
Pants.
Awesome.
Hat.
What else is in there?
More. More, Mama. These pants. These. Soaked.
Hold on, honey. I'll help you if you want.
Yeah, let's cut the tags off. Look at those awesome outfits. Say thank you, Aunt Wawa and Uncle T-Dub.
Thank you, Aunt Mom. Thank you, T-Dog.
Good job.